our fifth best song winner gets a Himig Handog trophy plus 100,000 pesos. Congratulations.
Nice. Congrats! Ngayon naman alamin natin ang nanalo for Best Song.
Joining us to award are Mr. Noel Cabangon and Miss Kula Desma. Himig Handog P-Pop Love Songs 2014 fourth Best Song is... Fourth Best Song is... Walang Basagan ng Trip by Eric De Leon.
Congratulations! Our fourth Best Song winner gets a Himig Handog trophy plus 150,000 pesos. Congratulations!
All I can say about this competition, Parents KMC, #intense.
Ito na, dahil malapit na tayong malaman kung sino talaga.
Sobrang kinakabahan ako. Now it's time to award the third best song.
Joining us to award are Ms. Joshua Padilla and Mr. Boy Abunda. Himig Handog P-Pop Love Songs 2014's third best song is... Mahal Kita Pero by Bobby Papilo. Congratulations! Our third best song winner gets a Himig Handog trophy plus 200,000 pesos. Congratulations! Malapit na tayo ng malapit! Eto na! Susunod na po nating kikilalanin ang nagwagi for the second best song.
Joining us to award our ABS-CBN Head of Star Creatives Group, Miss Malu Santos, Direk Lauren Jogi, and Mr. Ray Valera. Himig Handog P-Pop Love Songs 2014's second best song is... Halik sa Hangin by David Dimagila.
Our second Best Song winner gets a Himig Handog trophy plus 500,000 pesos. Congratulations.
500,000 pesos.
500,000 pesos. 500,000 pesos is